jQuery AJAX interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. This is a structured set of commonly asked jQuery AJAX interview questions with clear answers. It covers AJAX fundamentals, jQuery AJAX methods, asynchronous communication, JSON and API integration, error handling, performance and security, modern alternatives to jQuery AJAX. The $AJAX function is one of the most commonly used jQuery methods for communicating with backend APIs without reloading a page. 1 to 20. AJAX Basics. 1. What is AJAX? AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. 2. What is the purpose of AJAX? Communicate with a server without refreshing the page. 3. Benefits of AJAX. Better user experience, better updates, partial page refreshes, reduced bandwidth usage. 4. What does asynchronous mean? Code continues executing while waiting for server response. 5. AJAX versus traditional requests. Traditional means full page reload. AJAX means partial updates. 6. What technologies are used in AJAX? JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JSON, XML, HTTP. 7. What is jQuery AJAX? jQuery utility for making HTTP requests. 8. Basic AJAX syntax. $AJAX, URL/API users. 9. What is URL in AJAX? Endpoint being called. 10. What is request? Data sent to server. 11. What is response? Data returned from server. 12. Common response formats. JSON, JSON XML, JSON HTML, text. 13. Why JSON is popular? Lightweight, easy parsing, JavaScript friendly. 14. What HTTP methods are used? Get, post, put, delete. 15. What is GET request? Retrieves data. 16. What is POST request? Creates data. 17. What is PUT request? Updates data. 18. What is delete request? Removes data. 19. What is API? Interface allowing systems to communicate. 20. What is REST API? HTTP-based API architecture. 21 to 40. $AJAX fundamentals. 21. What is $AJAX? Core jQuery AJAX method. 22. Basic example. $AJAX URL:users method get. 23. What is URL property? Endpoint address. 24. What is method property? HTTP request method. 25. What is data property? Request payload. 26. Example data. Data name John. 27. What is success callback? Runs when request succeeds. 28. Example success. Success function response. Console.log response. Runs when request fails. 30. Example error. Error function error. Console log error. 31. When is complete callback? Executes after success or failure. 32. What is data type? Expected response type. 33. Example JSON response. Data type, JSON. 34. What is content type? Request body format. 35. JSON content type. Content type, application JSON. 36. What is timeout? Maximum request duration. 37. Example timeout. Timeout 5000. 38. What is async option? Controls asynchronous behavior. 39. Why async? False. Discouraged. Blocks browser UI. 40. What object does AJAX return? JQXHR object. 41 to 60. jQuery AJAX helper methods. 41. What is $get? Simplified GET request. 42. Example $get. $get users. 43. What is $post? Simplified post request. 44. Example $post $post, users, data. 45. What is $getJSON? Retrieves JSON data. 46. Example, $getJSON/users. 47. What is $load? Loads HTML into element. 48. Example, $content, load page. 49. When use $AJAX over helpers? When more customization is required. 50. What is chaining? Attaching callbacks to JQuery. 51. Example done. AJAX, done function data. 52. What is fail? Handles failures. 53. Example fail. .fail function error. 54. What is always? Runs regardless of outcome. 55. What is promise-like behavior? Supports asynchronous chaining. 56. What is deferred object? jQuery async abstraction. 57. What is callback hell?
Deeply nested callbacks.
58. How avoid callback hell? Promises async workflows. 59. What is response parsing? Converting response into usable data. 60. What is serialization? Converting object to transferable format. 61 to 80. Error handling and security. 61. Common AJAX errors? Check 404. Check 500. Check timeout. Check CORS issues. 62. What is HTTP 404? Resource not found. 63. What is HTTP 500? Internal server error. 64. What is HTTP 401? Unauthorized. 65. What is HTTP 403? Forbidden. 66. What is CORS? Cross-origin resource sharing. 67. Why CORS exists? Browser security protection. 68. What is CSRF? Cross-site request forgery. 69. How prevent CSRF? Check tokens validation. 70. What is XSS? Cross-site scripting attack. 71. How prevent XSS? Sanitize inputs, encode outputs. 72. What is authentication header? Identity information in request. 73. Example authorization header, headers, authorization, bearer token. 74. What is retry strategy? Retrying failed requests. 75. What is network timeout? Server response delay. 76. Why log AJAX failures? Easier troubleshooting. 77. What is browser developer tools? Request inspection tool. 78. What tab shows AJAX requests? Network tab. 79. What is request payload? Data sent to server. 80. What is response body? Data returned by server. 81 to 100. Advanced AJAX concepts. 81. What is polling? Periodically requesting server updates. 82. Example polling use case. Check notifications. Check dashboards. 83. What is long polling? Server holds request until update available. 84. What is WebSocket? Persistent two-way communication. 85. AJAX versus WebSocket. AJAX means request response. WebSocket means real-time connection. 86. What is caching in AJAX? Reusing previous responses. 87. Disable caching example. Cache false. 88. What is pagination with AJAX? Loading data incrementally. 89. What is lazy loading? Loading content only when needed. 90. What is infinite scrolling? Dynamically loading additional records. 91. What is file upload via AJAX? Sending files asynchronously. 92. What is form data? JavaScript object for form uploads. 93. Example form data. var form data equals new form data. 94. What is progress tracking? Monitoring upload, download progress. 95. Modern alternative to $AJAX. Fetch API. 96. Example fetch. Fetch users. 97. Why fetch is popular. Check. Native browser support. Check. Promise-based. 98. Should developers still know $AJAX? Yes. Many enterprise applications still use jQuery. 99. Common AJAX interview topics. Get versus post, CORS, JSON, error handling, asynchronous behavior. 100. How to master AJAX. Cock. Build REST integrations. Cock. Practice JSON APIs. Cock. Understand HTTP deeply. Cock. Learn browser networking tools. Cock. Understand fetch and modern alternatives. Final summary. AJAX interviews focus on: check. Asynchronous communication. jQuery AJAX methods. REST API integration. JSON processing. Error handling and security. Modern browser networking concepts. Key idea: strong front-end developers understand both AJAX fundamentals and modern API communication patterns deeply.